Customer found us on TikTok. She paid $280 for all 4 brand new tires installed and balanced.
Yeah.
Can I see her real quick, please?
Sure.
We got the 185, 6515, the 280 for the double store, and 300 for the Fortune. Which one do you want?
I'll get the 280.
The 280. Perfect. I'll take care of you right now.
Thank you.
This customer's taking the 185, 6515. She's paying 280 for all 4 installed and balanced. These are backed up with 50,000 mile warranty or 4 years. Let's take care of her. There you go. Thank you so much
Thank you.
for driving.